Thanks for joining this artificial intelligence tech byte. So today I will be talking about difference between RAG, CAG, and KAG. Uh, RAG, CAG, and KAG are different architectures or strategies used in AI for knowledge retrieval and generation. As part of RAG, Augmented Generation, and a hybrid approach that combines information retrieval and generative AI. It first retrieves a relevant document from a knowledge base and then uses a language mode like GPT to generate responses based on the retrieved information. What are the advantages of this is improves um, factual accuracy, then reduce hallucination and false false information. So it reduces the false information, provides up to date knowledge without retraining the models. Use cases in this AI powered chatbot and question answering system, legal and medical document analysis. Then this is based on RAG typical consist of retrieval model and a generative model architecture perspective. Then then comes CAG, that is context augmented generation, and enhances a generative model by adding contextual information and often structured knowledge like metadata, user preferences, or situational awareness. What are the advantages of this? More personalized and relevant responses, improves coherence in long form context generation. Typical use cases in this: AI writing assistant, conversational AI with history, dynamic storytelling, or game AI. Architecture perspective, this is typically consist on coder and a decoder. Then comes CAG, that is knowledge augmented generation, and uses structured knowledge like database ontologies or graph, graphs to enhance AI generated responses instead of just retrieving a document like RAG. It leverages structured relationship as well. Advantage of this is more logical and reasoning based answers, helps in domain and requiring structured reasoning, example finance or medicine. Typical use cases in this is scientific reasoning AI, assistant, then AI driven financial reports, AI generated legal documents. Architecture CAG typically consists of knowledge retriever and a text generator. If you see in CAG and RAG, as part of input processing, CAG processes the input prompt directly without any explicit retrieval mechanism, and whereas RAG retrieves relevant information from a database or knowledge graph based on the input prompt. Then comes the text generation, and CAG generates text conditionally based on the input prompt without any explicit uh, use of external knowledge. Then RAG generates text based on the retrieved information from the database or knowledge graphs. So typical features what we have discussed, more focusing on CAG. Uh, Data source is contextual user data. Then main goal is improve personalization, best for personalized AI. Thanks for joining this. So that's about more focusing on the CAG. Thank you.